Welcome back, Clutch Culture family, to another video. So in today's video we have K-pop stunts. So I want to give a special shout out to my boy Jordan Golding for making this video happen, because without him this video wouldn't have been happening. So yeah, this whole video wouldn't have been here. Go follow that boy on Instagram and on TikTok at Jordan_shoots_photos. He has some bangers on there also. I'm not gonna talk too much because yeah, it's like the Saturday today, and I mean the Sunday today, and the car show was yesterday, and it's the night after. It's just a lot and I'm tired, but yeah, nevertheless, let's get into the video. I need to like and subscribe, watch till the end, and then comment down below what type of videos you guys want to see, because like my ideas, I can't lie, I've been running out of ideas. But yeah, I'm not gonna talk. Enjoy the video.